Hi, this is Maggie, one of your trainers with the Miami Association of Realtors. And for today's social media tip, I'm going to show you how you can post to your Instagram stories. Once you've launched Instagram, simply make sure you are on your home screen. At the bottom left, there is an icon that looks like a house. This is where you will see everything posted by the people that you are following. For you to post your own Instagram story, make sure that from this screen, you swipe from left to right. Doing so opens Instagram stories. From here at the very bottom, you can type a message and even change the color by tapping on the colored circle. You can go live, which is a live feed of whatever it is that you are doing and wherever it is you are at that moment. Normal allows you to take a photo or select from your library of photos and your camera roll. Boomerang allows you to record a repeated movement. Super zoom allows you to zoom into something using different effects. Focus allows you to focus on a face. Rewind will take whatever you record and it will reverse it. And hands-free allows you to set up your phone on a platform of some sort and record hands-free. If you have any other questions regarding Instagram stories, please feel free to reach out to us. We hope this tip has been helpful. And as always, thank you for being a Miami member.